Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to add fake reviews onto Shopify. Alright, so let's begin with the video. To add fake reviews on Shopify, first ensure you are logged in to your account. Once you're here, go to Products section and make sure you have uploaded your desired products. For this example, we will use a t-shirt. Next, navigate to the Apps section at left side of screen and click the Add button. A window will pop up. Here, select the Shopify App Store, which will redirect you to the Shopify App Store where you can add apps to your store. Now, in the search bar, type Reviews and press Enter. You will see various review apps available. But for this example, we will choose Judge.me. Click on it and this page will open up. Here, click the Install button. Now, again, click on this Install button again and wait for the app to install on your store. After installation, set up the app by selecting your preferred language. I will leave it as default and will click Start Setup. Follow the instructions. Now, just click Enable App Embed, which redirects you to this page. Here, make sure that this toggle is turned on and then click on Save at the top right. Now, return to previous page and close this window. Now click on Next. Now install the Review widget by clicking Install Review widget. Here, again, just confirm with Got it and save again. The Review widget will now appear. Click Continue, and now you have to install star ratings. Proceed to install star ratings. Your product, the t-shirt, will be visible. Scrolling down, you will see the Added Review page. Save this. Go back and click Continue. For the star logo URL and color, you may customize or leave as is. I will upload my store logo. Once uploaded, click Next again. And now you can see that the Judge.me app is now installed, and you can now explore the app. You will now see the reviews dashboard for your product. To add a fake review, go to your online store and under Themes section, click on Edit Theme. Once your store opens, simply open your product page. Now scroll down to find the Write a Review section. Click it and review your own product. Give a 5-star rating. In the text field, write your desired content, such as "This is great," and click Next. You may enter an email address and then choose a display name, or you can also post anonymously. Now click Next. You can optionally upload a photo if you want. Click Next again, then close this window. To view the result, visit your website. Once you are on your website, scroll down and you will now see the fake review published in your Shopify store. And that's it. So that's basically how you can add fake reviews onto Shopify. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.